This is where my kids change their shoes now. They sit on the floor, here's one, and they change their shoes. It's not really convenient for us. The kids probably don't mind too much. We have to bend over, put on their shoes. It's a little bit of a pain. This is what houses my shoes right now. I don't know where this came from. It just appeared in my life one day. I don't think I bought it. I don't think my wife bought it. Maybe one of the kids brought it home. Either way, make a little box bench here. We'll get someone else we can help them out and they can sit on. And maybe store some shoes. And we're going to get rid of this, but at least shrink it down because I hate it. So I got the insides all painted. The painted gold, it's metallic gold, it's cool. It's different, I haven't seen it too much. We're gonna paint the outside blue after it's glued up. Paint the inside first just to make it easier. Because there's no way I was gonna paint it and have it look halfway decent after glued up. You know, I've heard a lot online and podcasts and just randomly about this being the year to try to bring in some color into your woodworking. I like the idea, it's nice. You know, I did photography as a major back to college, and color was a big part of that. So, being able to bring some color into woodworking is going to be kind of cool. I'm going to try to do that this year. People get real upset sometimes when you paint wood, but it's wood. It's fine. We'll grow more of it. Should have some fun with it. Otherwise, you can just stick to Coco Lobo or some crazy wood that's real expensive. But you're obviously not going to mess with it.
And I'm gonna put on my shoes.
You put on your shoes?
Mhm.
What are you sitting on?
Shoe table.
Shoe table.
I'm waving at the camera.
Alright. Only I'm gonna talk to the camera. Alright, let's go. Come on.
I'm gonna go out the door.
Where are we going?